How to use Veo 3 image to video. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with using Google's Veo 3 image to video. Now we all have heard about Veo 3 and how amazing it is, but Veo 3 is so much more than just a video creator. It can take any of your still images and convert them into super hyper-realistic videos. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over into deepmind.google and you can proceed with Veo 3. Now you can use this in Gemini or in Flow. I'm going to click on try it in Flow and then the screen is going to open up. Now from here, you're going to go on ahead and click on create with Flow and you're going to log on to your Google account. Now, once you do that, this is what your dashboard looks like. I have created a couple of projects before. However, you can go into Flow TV on the top right. And once you go into Flow TV, that allows you to get some inspiration if you're looking for a certain style. And if you're looking to create something, different and creative, then exploring these options is going to be good. Now we're going to go back into our Flow dashboard. We're going to explore Flow TV later on, and we're going to click on New Project. Now when you click on New Project, you have text to video or frames to video. So to convert our pre-existing pictures into a video, we're going to click on frames to video. And once you do that, on the bottom, you have two options. So you can start with this starting frame. For example, I want to add this as my starting frame. I'm going to add this picture as my ending frame. Now you can upload these pictures simply by clicking on upload. And then you have your pop-up where you can select this image or whatever image you want to convert into a video. You can even click on generate image to generate the image. So you do have, a wide variety of options. Now, once you have uploaded both of your images or one of your images, I want to zoom out, or the woman moves the palette, swatches to the next palette. And then after that, on the top right, you will see the model. So within this has Veo 3. I can go on ahead, go into the right side of my prompt box, and I can select the number of outputs I want, as well as the model that I want to use. So you have a Veo 3 quality, Veo 3 fast, as well as Veo 2 fast in quality. Now keep in mind that there is no audio in the fast Veo 2 version or Veo 2 quality version. So if you want to create audio alongside the video, so if you want your image to have some type of music, background, or audio, then you need to select Veo 3, whether it's the fast version or the quality version. Veo 3 quality takes 100 credits per generation and Veo 3 fast takes 20 credits. Veo 2 fast takes 10 credits and Veo 2 quality takes 100 credits as well. So this just comes down to personal preference and what you want to be using whenever you're creating your videos. And I do think that Veo 3 fast actually does a pretty great job. So you can proceed. Now I have already processed this. You're just going to click on the arrow. And then once you do that, you're going to proceed. Now I have created this so I can show it to you guys. It can take a few minutes for the entire thing to be loaded up. So we're just going to take a look at what type of video it has created. And this was our video that it created from this image. So this was my starting image. As you guys can see, it's a still image. And then this is the video. So the woman is talking about the palette. And then after that, she is holding the new palette and then it swatches over and it, sets on over into the other woman. Just like so, you can proceed with building your Veo 3 videos, whether it's from an image or whether it's from scratch. Now, I'll show you guys another example. This is one of the images that I have, and I want to make the model move. Let's say I want to use this image that I've taken for a product, and I want to use this on YouTube Shorts or any other social media platform. So I'm going to click on New Project over here and then click on Frames to Video. Now, instead of adding 2 frames, I'm going to remove both of them. And once I remove both of them, I can click on the plus icon. Once I click on the plus icon, on the top right, I have my image uploaded. You can simply click on Upload to select your image. And once I add my image, I want to the model moves. Let's say that's my prompt. I can click on the arrow to start with my video generation. And we have processed this. So I'm just going to show you guys what it's going to look like. Now, this is what the prompt has created. So the woman walks in and you guys can see she's walking and she's modeling, she's posing. And this is like a really amazing and fantastic image that you can use. These are the types of shots that you usually want to use when you're building, artistic and creative videos for your brand and you're trying to promote your brand while keeping the overall aesthetic and the overall vibe of your brand. So you can easily do that with the help of VO3 and how you can convert any image into a full-fledged video. Converting it into a full-fledged video has, a bunch of pros in my opinion, because you're able to take the same old content, my old images, let's say I had this photo shoot, I can upload this image, and then I can build something that is truly unique and truly new. And then you can even go a bit more creative. This is another example of one of the images that I have converted into a video. Starting off, I uploaded my first frame, which is this image of a lipstick. So this was my first frame, and then this is the video. So just like so, this is the video it created. So an application of the lipstick, a model holding the lipstick in the frame, the model applies the lipstick to her lips. Then we changed it up a bit and we used VO3. We used VO3 fast because this also does have some audio. And then this was our final video that we have created. And you guys can see this is a really nice video. And she even says that's amazing within the video. So you can even use VO3 to convert any still images you have into UGC content. And that is again another really great opportunity, which can help you in boosting your business and promoting your business further. Now, moving forward, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the other amazing features of VO3. So starting off, VO3 not only allows you to create these singular scenes, but let's say I want to take my image scene that I've created and I want to further customize it. For example, the model walking. If I want to add more to this video, because VO3 organically only creates 8 seconds of a clip, simply click on this and then you can click on the bottom right over here and you can click on extend. And you guys can see we have the dolly out option. We can choose the camera angles that we want, and we can choose to either extend or add another frame within this video. So all of this is available in VO3. And if you click on Flow TV, you will again see there are so many different channels you can explore. You can click on grid view to view all of the different things, and you can go back into all channels and view the channel that is most fitting for your styles and whatever you're looking for. So within VO3, you have Felt Cute, Thinking Out Loud, Hello, Ultra Wide, Spectromatic, Soul Searching. Let's go with Soul Searching. This is a relatively new channel, and you guys can see this is really great inspo. So you can simply click on Show Prompt, and then this will show you a prompt of what text you're supposed to put in if you want a video like this. And you guys can see that this can help you in creating your own prompts as well. Now, all of this must be super expensive, right? Well, not at all. VO3 subscriptions start at $20. And after that, you can also go with Google's AI Ultra subscription. Google's AI Ultra is around $200, but it is definitely worth it when it comes to all of the amazing features and the high number of credits that are provided. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.